To create custom assessments, click on the My Content module on the left-hand navigation bar. If you teach more than one grade level, select the grade you want from the drop-down menu. To modify an existing Galopade assessment, you must first make a copy of the assessment. You can use the filters on the left to find the assessment you want to modify. Once you have found the assessment, click on the three dots to the right of the title and choose Copy. You can leave the default name or give it a different name, then click Save. You will be automatically directed to the current questions included in the existing assessment. Here you can delete questions, preview questions, change point values, and reorder questions. You can also preview the assessment you have modified from this screen. Make sure to save your assessment. If needed, you can use the numbered steps across the top to go back to any previous steps. If you want to go back and change the name of the assessment, you can click on Step 2 at the top. To add questions to an existing assessment, click on Step 3. You can filter the question bank by standard and/or question type using the filters on the left. You can also preview questions before adding them. Select any questions you want to add by clicking in the box to the left of the question title. Then choose Add Selected at the top right. You can use the numbered steps at the top or the next buttons at the bottom to navigate through the screens. When you reach Step 5, you will have the option to print, preview, or save your modified assessment. Once you save, you will be directed back to the My Content module. To find any assessments you have made or modified, scroll down to the Assessments filter, click My Assessments, and click Apply Filter. You will now see a list of only your created and modified assessments. From this screen, you can click the three dots to the right to access more options for your assessment, or use the Assign button to assign your custom or modified assessment. To build an assessment from scratch, click on Add New at the top right of the Content module, then select from our pre-made item bank. Give your assessment a title and choose your grade level course content. On the next page, you will have access to all of the pre-made questions within the selected grade level. Use the filters on the left to select standards you want to assess. You can individually select questions or use the checkbox at the top of the list to select all questions on the page. Then, click Add Selected to add them to your assessment. You can also use the question type filters to further narrow down your choices. The next step will auto-populate the points for each question. You can use the points automatically assigned to each question, modify the points, or make the assessment worth an even 100 points. Use the Preview button to preview your assessment, or click Next to go to the final step and save your assessment. Once back on the main page of the Content module, scroll down to the Assessments filter, choose My Assessments, and click Apply Filter. Then find your assessment and assign it to your class.